Welcome. It's DC. In today's video, we're gonna dissect and make a thorough analysis in Crash 1000. So this is going to help you to predict correctly the price movement that is going to take place in Crash 1000. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment on this video. We're currently running a competition where if you like and comment our videos, you stand a chance to be selected as one of our lucky winners weekly. So on every Sunday, we'll be having a draw where we select one of our lucky winners. We have a Telegram group. In that Telegram group, that's where people are going to select the best comment for the week. So let's get down to today's video. So what we can see in Crash 1000 is this. We can see that Crash 1000 has been moving down since 2020. It has been moving down. It has been in a downtrend. But I want to take your attention to what is currently taking place. So if you move, so from the daily time frame, we can all agree that the price is moving down. So we have a trend line, which is our main trend line. This trend line has been respected 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a trend line that is valid. This trend line is valid. So what has been taking place is this. You know that we know that our external structure is that we have this downtrend. But currently, for some time, since when? Since when the market was able to break from this part, it was the 23rd of February. Crash 1000 was moving in an uptrend. So what I think is going to happen is this. This was the internal structure, which was an uptrend. It has been in an uptrend, but I'm suspecting that as the market is approached the main trend line, it is going to move downwards. So let me zoom in. Let me go to another smaller time frame. Okay, so this is what has been taking place. We can see that. Let's look at the impulsive moves and let's trace how the price has been moving. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we can see that the price from this point, it respected the trend line, came down, and here there was a low, and then it went up, made a retest. Then here there was a small fake out. It appeared like the market was about to continue going up, then it continued going down. Then the market pushed down, then it reached this point. So from this date, it was the 22nd of January, the market was in a consolidation. So in most cases, before the market change the trend, it reaches a point of a period of a sideways market. So during this phase, the market was just ranging during this phase. Then it was able to break this resistance at this price, and then it went up, came down again, and it came to make a retest at this point. The resistance turned into a support. So this is a flip zone. These are one of the key levels or the most powerful levels that we have, this flip zone. So we have a flip zone here, then the market was able to move up. So I want to take your attention to what happened here and why there is a likelihood of a reversal of the trend. So we can see here, let's look at these impulsive moves here and also here. And also during this last phase. So we can see that during this phase, when the market was making this impulsive move, there was a big movement. The movement was very big, and then it came down, struggled a little bit, but was able to move up. Yes, the market was able to what, to move up. But if you compare these phases, this one and this one, we can see that there is more volume here, and the volume seems to be decreasing. The volume seems to be decreasing. Then if you compare here, during this point it was able to make a new high. It made a high, then it came down mid-aging, a low high, and then it went up, and then it made a what, a high, but it was slightly above. It was slightly above. Then it came down, made a what? It made a high low. So we can now conclude that from this phase, when now the market is switching from a series of what, low highs and low, then here it made a what, a high, and here it made a high low. There was a break of what, structure. The market was now in an uptrend until it got to this point. The market was supposed to move up and make a what, a new high, but unfortunately this didn't happen. When price got to this level, it failed to make a what, a new high, and this is also coinciding with what, with our trend line. So one, the price, the movement upwards has been decreasing. These impulsive moves have been decreasing, and also the price is approaching our trend line, and there is a what, a decrease in momentum. The momentum is decreasing, and here the price also has failed to make a what, a high. It's equally, to some extent we can say that there was a what, a triple top, 1, 2, 3. During this phase, the price has failed to make a new high. So there is a break of what, of a structure. There is a possibility that the price is now about to what, to move down. So currently we have this candle again. If we can trace what has been taking place, we have 1, 2, and at this point the price was supposed to move up, but it failed. Then here we have, if you move on to 1 hour, we can see that we have a breakout. We have a breakout here. The candle closed below the what, the trend line, this trend line, and now we have this candle. There's a possibility that the market probably might come and retest and then go, then move down, or maybe there'll be just a continuation. This candle will just continue and it will start moving down. So what I'm thinking is this: since we now have our breakout, you're going to what? You're going to take your sell here, and your stop loss, you're going to put your stop loss above this previous high, so swing high. So if you come here, if you're going to take a trade here, we are going to place our stop loss. Let me go to 4 hour so that I can see the other part. So we're going to place our stop loss at this price, 59.54. That this is going to be our stop loss. So we take a trade here. Then our first TP is going to be this point. It's going to be this point, the flip zone that we're talking about this price. We're going to have it, our stop loss at 57.13. So this is going to be our TP, not stop loss. This is going to be our TP. So this is our first TP. Then if the price continues to move down, which we are anticipating that the price is going to do, our second TP will be 54.65. So this is what I'm anticipating, that crash 1000 is going to take this direction. So this is what I think is going to take place in crash 1000. The price is going to, since we now have a breakout and our stop loss is here, the price is likely going to move down and continue going up. The possibility of the price going up, I think, is very, very slim. The price has been trying to break this level, and we can now safely conclude that the price is failed to break this resistance, 59.39. This resistance, 59.39. This resistance, the price has failed. Look at this candle. This 4-hour candle is very, very big. We can, although it hasn't closed, but if you go to this part, we can see we have this bearish candle with much volume and more momentum, and we can see at this point the price also failed to what, to break this resistance. So there is a possibility that the price is going to move down and continue moving down. So this is what I'm seeing in what, in Crash 1000. So I decided that I should share this with you guys, so that this can actually help you to make your trading decisions. So if you've enjoyed this content, make sure you like and comment on this video, so that it encourages me. If I can see that most people are watching my videos and they're also commenting on what I'm posting, this gives me energy to continue doing this. So thank you guys for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye for now.